another beautiful day and a great treat for us. It's a 2021 Mustang Mach 1 in Shadow Black. It has black Recaro seats with seating for 4, and it has the Mach 1 handling package, which includes the 19-inch tarnished dark painted wheels, as well as the adjustable mounts, and it also has the rear performance spoiler. This has a 5-liter V8 engine and it's 480 horsepower. It has an upgraded transmission with the Tremec 6-speed manual transmission, and you have the ball shifter. You also have the reverse camera system and the quad exhaust. As well, you've got the Mach 1 striping, black and red, both on the hood and on the sides. You can take this little beauty out for a test drive. It's easy, just book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're gonna have a look under the hood and inside and out. It has a 5-liter V8 engine with 480 horsepower, an upgraded transmission. It's a Tremec 6-speed manual transmission, and it's a rear-wheel drive. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted, and these are the Recaro seats. They have the nice stitching and the bolsters, very comfortable. All weather mats on the floor, and you have your lighting controls located here. There's a little bin to be able to put items, and you have the release for your trunk there. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of your steering wheel, of course, your iconic pony, and you also have your volume control, cruise control, media as well. You've got your navigation, and when we start up the vehicle, it's just a push of a button, key in the pocket. Oh, and I forgot to put my foot on the clutch because this is the manual transmission. Let's try that again. There we go. And you also have lane keeping. You're seeing the little vehicle in between the lines. And on our screen is our display. It's got the odometer reading, any important messages, and we can actually go through the different options in here. So that was trip 1, tire pressure, fuel economy, trip 2, and then back around again. In the center, you have your air vents on either side, your screen, and as well, you can touch on here, which is kind of nice. I'm going to turn down the volume. We can go into our sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. You're seeing that little yellow tab. That's just a protector on here. You have your climate control, and you have dual climate control for driver and passenger. You also have your front and rear defrost, and then there's your navigation. We can touch on there. You're going to see the map. And when we put the vehicle in reverse, we are going to see our backup camera view. There you go. And the white lines show you the way that you're going to go as you turn the steering wheel. That center line is the dotted one. And then you have the green, yellow, red, and that's just the distance you are to whatever you're backing up to. And then you have your volume and tuner. There's a dual climate control. So you can control it on the screen. You can control it down here. AC, max AC, front and rear defrost. You also have, there's your engine start stop, hazard lights, traction control, and this is your steering wheel feel and your drive mode. So as we push on these buttons, you're going to see the different options on your dash. So normal, and then sport, comfort, and back around again. And now for your drive mode, you're going to see it on the left, normal, sport, track, and then you notice that the dash changes its look as you go through. Drag strip, I always thought that was fun. And then snow wet. So as conditions change, even the way you feel, you can change your drive mode and your steering wheel feel. And there's your USB outlet, your 12 volt. You've got your 6-speed manual transmission that's Tremec, and it is a ball shifter, as you can see. Emergency parking brake, couple of cup holders, and your ambient lights in there. Your armrest opens up, lots of room in there. You've got a 12 volt and a USB. Off to the side is your glove compartment, and you can see that nice Mach 1 badging, and you've also got a serial number on there. Your rear view mirror is auto dimming. You also have universal garage door opener and your lighting controls. 19-inch tarnished dark painted aluminum wheels, and you have your calipers are painted red. You have a body colored door handle with intelligent access, and that means when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock your doors. And you're seeing the Mach 1 red striping on the bottom. Driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. You've got the performance wing spoiler, and you see the nice Mach 1 badging. Just above that is where your backup camera is located. Quad exhaust, and then when you're ready to open up the trunk, you can do that from inside. Double click your fob, excuse me, and then just lift it up. And inside, nice and roomy, you've got the carpet mats there. And then when you're ready to close it all up, just put your hand on the top, pull down, and it's now securely closed. And then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. 480 horsepower? Why yes, I would like to go for a ride in your Mach 1 Mustang. And easily, you can bring the front seat forward and bring the back of the seat ahead. This makes room for 2 seats in the back. It's a 50-50 split, it's what we call a fastback. Just pull the tab and you now have access to the trunk area, and then just flip the seat back up into the upright position. Anchors at the back to be able to tether baby seats. All weather mats on the floor, and you also have carpeted mats. And as well, there's the clip cutouts and seat belt minder. LED tail lights, performance wing, privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors with blind spot information system, LED headlights, the Mach 1 black striping and red accent striping, fog lights, and so many reasons to visit us. And if you like this video, stay tuned. There's more to come. We have plenty to share with you. We'd love to hear your comments, and we'd really enjoy it if you would subscribe with us.